Hey y'all, so I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into this video. First, I'm going to take my spritz and spritz my hair lightly, and then I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil and olive oil mixture and add that to my hair. It helps with the takedown of my twist. After that, I'm going to go ahead and dust my ends right before taking my twist down. This makes the hair so much lighter. It flows so much better. It looks so much nicer. After that, I'm going to separate my twist and I'm going to start to unravel my twist. Now, the way I do it is I literally untwist my hair. I do not just rip through the twist. That would create frizz, and my hair is already frizzy. I am a 4C waist length natural, so my hair, any type of wrong movement and it's a wrap. It's frizzy and it's done. So I'm just going to take my time. Again, I'm a 4C girl, so there is really no definition in my twist out. And also, this is a wet twist out, so there is absolutely, well, I won't say absolutely, but there's not much definition because this is a wet twist out. Now, a dry twist out where I blow dry my hair and do all that jazz, which I can make a video on that as well, I would have super defined twist or twist out. Now, although I did dust my ends, I'm going to go ahead and still be gentle with my ends because they are prone to tangling within each other. It just loves to make love with each other and cause me a whole lot of problems. So I'm going to go ahead and still be gentle with my hair, although I did just dust my ends. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.